Hey everyone, welcome to this course on web development. Today I am going to teach you how to create an HTML file in VS Code. We will also write some HTML in the file. So let's get started. First, create a folder and open it with VS Code. In the left section, click on Create File option. Write your HTML file name with the extension of HTML. Now by pressing Shift key and 1, you will get exclamation symbol, then click Enter. By doing this, your first HTML code is ready. This is also known as boilerplate code. This code includes the basic structure of an HTML file, which includes a doctype declaration that specifies the version of HTML being used, an HTML element that contains the entire document, a head element that includes metadata about the document, like the page title, and a body element that contains the visible content of the page. In this example, I've included a simple heading and paragraph to get you started. Feel free to modify this code and experiment with adding your own content and elements. Good luck. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.